Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Klea. Thank you for tuning in today. We're gonna do a misguided haul. I have a bunch of fun fall pieces to try on today. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, here is item number one. It's kind of like a jean jacket turned into a dress. The sleeves are plaid, which is cool. I like it. I think the one thing I would change is I would want it to be like a little bit shorter. But I don't really know how sizing works on Missguided. Okay, yeah, so I have ordered from there, but I don't know. I always get nervous on the English website, and I'm just wondering with little boobies on English websites because the sizes are I feel like sometimes they run really small. This doesn't. I got this one in a 4. And yeah, overall I think it's cute. A good fall piece. So here's the second outfit. First thing is this jacket, which I think is so cute. Has these little white furries on the sleeves and on the collar, and it's super soft. And then it has a little drawstring at the bottom, so if you want, it's like a drawstring thing if you want to make it tighter, but I kind of like it on the loosest thing. And then I paired it with these jeans, which I also got from Missguided. Okay, I tilted the camera down a little bit so you can see the bottom of the jeans, but they're split at the bottom, and they look super cute with boots that are the perfect length. I was kind of nervous when I first tried them on because they're very rigid. They feel good on. They have this line down the middle, if you can see it. And they look super cute with this jacket. I love winter whites. It's one of my fave things. Okay, this is the next item. It's this little mesh long sleeve, and it comes with this knit tank top on top of it. I like this. Not too much to say about it, but I think it's really cute. Here's more up close detail. I have a really similar top from Forever 21 in pink. So now I have the matching item. And the bottom's not too long. It's perfect with high-waisted jeans. Okay, here's the next piece, another jacket. Literally the first thing I did when I put this on was gasp because the inside is so itchy. But it looks really cute, so that's sad. Let me get my hair out. Yeah, so that's pretty sad because I did really like this one. There's pockets on the sides, which I like when it's jackets that have these kind of pockets, because then you can actually use it. Actually functional. And then it's this is the collar, which looks really cute. I think it would look super cute buttoned up. So if you don't mind that it's itchy, it's kind of okay because I'm wearing long sleeves under, but at the wrists and stuff, it's super itchy. But yeah, overall it's cute if you don't mind the itchiness, and it matches this blue top perfectly. Here's the next item in another shirt dress. This one's just the white feels just a men's shirt material, and then the top is a flannel. I think this is super cute too. This is a better length than the first one, I would say. It's a little shorter, so I feel it's a little more flattering on me. And I have over the knee boots that I think would be really cute with this too. Cute fall outfit. I think you could also wear a jacket over it too, and it would be cute. Yeah, kind of basic, but I like it. Okay, here is my final clothing item. This little lilac sweater, just very frilly, girly winter sweater. I've been seeing a lot of sweaters shaped like this everywhere, Zara and H&M has some too. Super cute. And then my final item, which matches with this, is these boots. Super cool. They're to the knee, which is a big trend right now, and they're just purple pleather It's like kind of like a round-ish toe. It's like the middle between round, square, and pointy. Heel's not too bad. Having them on, they're like a little, I don't know if they would be good for standing like a lot of hours in these, but for a little bit of time, they're cute. Let me zoom out so I can show you the bottom. Okay, so here are the boots. Super cute. I didn't mention before, but they don't have a zipper on the inside or anything. So you just have to slide them on, which is kind of annoying sometimes because they like get stuck. But I like them a lot. So that's all the things that I bought today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And definitely write in the comments, tell me what your favorite of these outfits is. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.